So as we can see here, the blog post we have created, the title is coming, right? But the image is not coming. So what we'll be doing now, we'll be setting over here a featured image, right? So whenever you'll be setting a featured image, so it will be coming at the front side of your blog post, right? So in both the post we can see there is no image. So now we'll be adding featured image now. So for that one again, just come to your backend part. So under the post option here, you have to go on all posts, and this content we have created, right? Just we'll be clicking on this one. So the content will be able to see, and if we want to edit the contents anytime, we can edit the content as well. And if we want to add images in between, we can do so. So for adding a featured image, just you little bit scroll down, and here you can see it is asking for set featured image, right? Now just click on this, and you have to select your image, which image you want to show. So just I'll select from the system. So I am taking this image now for this blog post. So here I have to click on set featured image, and after adding this one, here we can see the images has been added. And meanwhile, what we can also do, we can create a category for this blog post. Category, that means right now it is showing uncategorized. So in which category I want to keep this blog post, that I can keep. So here just I am creating a category for this one, like e-commerce, right? So after that, just click on add new category. So this category has been added now. Select this uncategorized, and after that you have to update, right? So we have updated it. Now we can go to the front side, and we can check the images has been added or not, and the particular in category it is coming or not. So like that way we can go. So just we are coming over here. So this is the front side. Just you refresh this page. So yes, we can see the image is coming, but here we have to optimize the images. Somewhere this image size is large. So if we'll be optimizing the image, so certainly the full format will be coming here. So that is up to you. So you, I mean, before updating any image, just please check its file size, and accordingly you can update it. And here the category we can also see. Category is e-commerce, right?